Houston Station on Space to Ground.
Welcome to Space to Ground, your weekly look at what's happening on board the International Space Station. I'm Dan Hewitt. A Russian spacewalk kicked off the station's work week and was the second trip outside for two Russian flight engineers. Cosmonauts Alexander Skvortsov and Oleg Artemyev worked quickly in the vacuum of space, getting all their tasks done in just 5 hours and 11 minutes. The pair swapped out a number of experiments that live outside the station, some of which are looking at how different materials hold up when exposed to the harsh environment of space. They also deployed a small Peruvian satellite called Chasqui-1, which will orbit the Earth and take images of the ground below. Also taking flight this week from the ISS was Planet Labs' latest flock of satellites known as DoveSats. This fleet of 28 small satellites deployed from the Japanese module's airlock. While in orbit, they'll capture frequent high-resolution images of the Earth's surface that are made available to everyone through planetlabs.com. The pictures can be used for everything from monitoring deforestation in the ice caps to helping with disaster relief. And always ready to share their views from the station, the Expedition 40 crew caught some fantastic images of the Cygnus spacecraft's fiery re-entry. Crew members Alexander Gerst and Max Sarayev captured these images on Sunday while the unmanned cargo craft was breaking up in the Earth's atmosphere, marking a successful end to Orbital Science's second resupply mission. This week's Twitter question comes from Mariana, who asked, do all crew members do a spacewalk in the 6 months they're on ISS? Well, as much as they all like to, not every crew member gets to go on a spacewalk. However, they all get training in NASA's Neutral Buoyancy Laboratory before flying, just in case they get the call to head outside to perform any major repairs. And there certainly hasn't been a lack of spacewalks in the station's history. In the almost 14 years since humans arrived on board, they have racked up over 1,100 hours across 181 spacewalks to build and maintain the ISS. Make sure to keep sending your questions and comments using the hashtag #SpaceToGround. We'll see you next week.